Hello children and welcome to my mini classroom. I think I might have just used this week's sound. My letter name is M and my sound is mm. Well done. Will we have a look at some words from the poster? Iontok. Okay. Lanimi the right. Off we go. The first one is melon. Melon. Well done. The next one is milk shake. Milkshake. Monkey. Monkey. And moon. Moon. Do you think you can sing along with me if I play our song? Okay, off we go. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Well done, Vashti. Okay. Now, I went around my house and I looked for some words. And when I was looking, I came across milk. So I have milk. Well done. And I also found some mayonnaise. So I have milk and mayonnaise. And then I came across money box. Money box. Now children, it is your turn to have a look around the house and see what words you can find. I would love to see some pictures. That would be fabulous. Okay, so happy hunting for the words. Slán go fóill.